What's up, Booby M4H here. I've got the KWA LM4 PTR. Someone had asked if I could do a video on how to remove the forward assist button here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how. There's a roll pin here that holds it all together, or holds the assembly in together. What you're going to want to do is just knock that out. Take a punch. Let's see, don't know where my hammer's at. We'll go ahead and use my armorer's wrench here. Alright, so as you can see, the pin just came out. This is a pin right here. Now, thing holding in the forward assist assembly now is this punch. So I'm gonna push the forward assist assembly in here. Pull my punch out. Now the whole thing comes right out. Okay, Outlaw, yeah, I'm making this video for you, buddy. It's all you do. If you're gonna put this into another, what do you call, upper, all you have to do is pop that one pin out, pull this out, slide in the new one. That's it. Alright, same thing when you go to put this in. Okay, so you're gonna want it like so. This will be the outside of the gun, and this is going to be going towards the bolt side. Okay, so like so. You're going to push it in. Start your pin. This is going to be horrible here with this. See if I can get it started. Alright, that's all you have to do. Alright, very simple. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.